Hello sir, good morning. Today's video I'm going to demonstrate. I'm going to make a tutorial on how to deploy wallpaper in the client PC using the Windows Server 2008 R2. So let's start. First is this is my server, and this is the wallpaper that I want to deploy to all the specific client. I want this picture to become the wallpaper of this client PC or client user. So let's start. First thing that I need to do is create a folder. Let's say right click, then new, then the name of the folder. Let's say desktop wallpaper, then enter, then then insert the image here in this folder. So right click, then go to the properties, then go to the sharing, then click share, then add authenticated, back advanced sharing, then check the share this folder, then do the permissions, then add authenticated, then apply. Full control, apply, okay, then okay. Let us copy this UNC path of this folder. We'll be using this later in the configuration under the policy management. Control C, then close. Go to the administrative tools, group policy management. Then I want to apply this in the PE OYO. All the users inside the OYO PE will apply these changes. So what I'm gonna do is right click, then I'm going to create a GPU in this domain. Then let us say it's desktop wallpaper, enter, then right click, edit, go to the user configuration, then go to the there's a motorcycle coming. Okay, let us continue. Go to the administrative templates, then look for the desktop again, double click on the desktop, then look at the desktop wallpaper, double click on them, then click the enable. And this is what I said during that in the folder. You can paste the UNC path, then Then look the name of the picture. Desktop wallpaper, where are you? Desktop wallpaper, here. Front.jpg. 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 Let us see once again. Front.jpg. Front.jpg. Then fit. Then apply. Then okay. Then close. Then close up. Then let us see if there are changes that happen here in the PC. Log off, or oh, oops. What I'm going to do is I'm going to update. GP update slash parse. Then log off. Password 123. Oh, as we can see now, there the MMShulu wallpaper already set in the one of the client. So the next tutorial that I'm going to do is how to deploy printer to all domain users using group policy management. So let's start. First thing that I'm going to do is go to the server manager, then add rules. I'm going to post no, click the add rules. Then next, I'm going to add this print and document services. Next, install. I'm going to post the video. We are done, successfully installed. Then close. Then the first thing that we are going to the administrative tools. Then print management. Then go to the print servers. This way, print servers. Then go to the printers. Wait. Then as we can see now, this is the default. Then right click. Oops. Add printer. Go to the add a new printer using an existing part. Then next. Wait until the okay. For me, I'm going to use the HP. It depends on you on what do you want to use, but me HP. Then laser jet. Laser jet. What is the name? 2100. I'm going to use this. Next. Then if you want to change the printer name, let's say deploy printer. Deploying printer. Then next installing driver. Wait. Finish. Here go to this the printer that we installed. Then right click. Then deploy. We are now going to deploy this printer to the user. At this time, I'm going to use the default. If we can choose the default, which means it will apply all the domain to the all domain users. So what I'm going now to do is I'm going to deploy this to the let's say I'm going to deploy only this printer to the specific student. But if you want to deploy to all users, then click this default domain policy. Okay, then double check this the users that this GP applies to per user, then the computer that this GP applies for machine. Then add, then apply. Okay, then okay. After the deploying, close. Let us see our client PC if there are something changes that happen. open. I see the printer. Oops. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to log off again. Log off again. Keyboard. The password. Password 123. Let us see if there are changes that happen. Go to the control panel, then look for view device and printers. Oh, let us see. This is now the printer that we create from the domain server. Deploying printer. So that's all for this video tutorial, sir. Once again, sir, good morning and thank you, sir. That's all.